Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing great. I'm Elri, here with my dear friend Sarah.
Hello, my lovely friends. How are you? I'm Sarah. Welcome to your channel.
Stay with us because we're going to learn lots of new things. When you walk into a beauty salon, do you know the names of the services? If you don't, this video is for you. So first of all, let's start with hair services. Haircut means cutting the hair shorter or into a new style. Hair styling means making the hair look nice with tools or products. Blow dry or blowout means drying and styling hair with a hairdryer.
Hair coloring means changing the hair color. Highlights means making some parts of hair lighter. Lowlights means making some parts of hair darker. Balayage means natural-looking color painted on the hair. Ombre means hair color that goes from dark to light. Roots touch-up means coloring new hair growth near the scalp. Hair treatment means care to make hair healthy and strong. Hair mask means deep conditioning product for hair. Keratin treatment means makes hair smooth and less frizzy.
Hair Botox means treatment to repair damaged hair. Hair extensions means adding extra hair for length or volume. Perm means making straight hair curly. Hair straightening means making curly hair straight.
Very nice. What do you think? Shall we move on to nail services?
Great! Now let's move on to nail services. Manicure means caring for hands and fingernails. Pedicure means caring for feet and toenails. Gel nails means nails with gel polish that lasts long. Acrylic nails means fake nails made with acrylic powder. Nail extensions means making nails longer.
Nail art means designs and decorations on nails. Nail repair means fixing broken or damaged nails. French manicure means natural nails with white tips. Nail polish change means removing old polish and applying new one. Can you guess which services are next?
Eyebrows and eyelashes, right?
Yes, exactly. Eyebrows and eyelashes. Eyebrow shaping means giving eyebrows a nice shape. Threading means removing hair with thread. Waxing means removing hair with wax. Eyebrow tinting means coloring the eyebrows. Microblading means semi-permanent eyebrow tattoo. Eyelash extensions means adding longer lashes. Eyelash lift means curling natural lashes. Eyelash tint means coloring eyelashes. Well, now it's time for skin services.
My favorite part.
Facial means cleaning and caring for the face. Deep cleansing facial means deep cleaning of the skin. Hydrating facial means adding moisture to the skin. Anti-aging facial means helping reduce wrinkles. Acne treatment means treatment for pimples.
Face mask means a product applied to the face for skincare. Chemical peel means removing dead skin with chemicals. Skin consultation means advice about skincare.
Elri, there are so many of them. I got tired just writing them all.
You can save all these words along with their meanings from our Instagram page. The address of our Instagram page is @English_with_Ellery.
Wow, that's so good. Thank you.
And now, body services. Waxing means removing body hair. Body waxing means waxing different parts of the body. Bikini wax means hair removal in the bikini area. Full body wax means waxing the whole body. Body scrub means removing dead skin from the body. Body massage means a relaxing or therapeutic massage. Relaxation massage means a massage to relax the body. Hot stone massage means a massage using warm stones.
There are some special services too. Can you tell us about them?
Bridal package means full beauty services for brides. Engagement makeup means makeup for engagement day. Photo shoot makeup means makeup for photography. Home service means beauty services at the customer's home. Well, that's it for this video. In the next parts, we'll move on to services for other areas. If you'd like, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Love you all. Goodbye.
I love you all so much. Until the next video, take care of your kind hearts.